We've had M&R plumbers in our home a number of days over the last month. I have been so impressed by the plumbers. I didn't know they had men like that out there working anymore. Very polite, honorable, good workers. What they often do, they say, yes sir, no sir. You don't hear that anymore. So I'm very pleased with the employees that they have. This house has had a lot of roots in the pipes and such. I don't know what they do, but they're inserting some sort of plastic liner in there to avoid that from happening again. And in addition, we've got 2 bathrooms that were pretty broken down, so they're working on that too.
This is the section that was outside of the pipe. Rock solid now.
So we'll get both bathrooms done and looking nice, and I'll miss the plumbers.
Now that we got the liner in place, we got to do a few finishing touches. We got to reinstate all the 2-inch tie-ins and then attach a few pipes in the walls, and she's good to go.
They have been wonderful. In and out the door, so polite, kind, thoughtful. I would have them come and do another job for me without a hesitation. Good young men, hard workers.